The African gray parrot, Psittacus erythicus, is one of the most intelligent bird species, known for its exceptional ability to mimic human speech and understand words in context. Native to the rainforests of West and Central Africa, these parrots are highly social and can live up to 50 to 60 years in captivity with proper care. They have striking gray plumage, a white mask around the eyes, and a red tail with two main subspecies. The Congo African gray, larger, lighter gray, bright red tail, and the Timne African gray, smaller, darker gray, maroon tail. Their intelligence is comparable to a 5-year-old child, as they can recognize objects, count, and even understand abstract concepts. African greys are prone to stress and feather plucking if they lack mental stimulation or social interaction. Their diet includes fruits, nuts, seeds, and leafy greens, and they require a balanced diet to prevent calcium deficiency. They communicate using a variety of sounds, whistles, and words, often forming strong bonds with their owners. Due to their popularity in the pet trade, they are classified as endangered due to habitat destruction and illegal poaching. Conservation efforts focus on protecting their natural habitat and stopping the illegal wildlife trade. The African gray parrot is considered one of the most cognitively advanced bird species, with studies showing they can associate words with meanings rather than just mimicking sounds. They are native to dense forests, mangroves, and savannas of countries like Gabon, Cameroon, and the Ivory Coast. Unlike many birds, African greys form strong monogamous bonds in the wild and raise their chicks together. They nest in tree cavities, laying 2 to 4 eggs that hatch after about 30 days, with chicks depending on their parents for up to 12 weeks before becoming independent. These parrots have powerful beaks that can crack open hard nuts, including palm nuts, which are a staple in their diet. In addition to their impressive vocal skills, they can imitate household sounds like doorbells, alarms, and even phone ringtones, sometimes confusing their owners. African greys have highly developed problem-solving skills and can perform tasks such as using tools to retrieve food. In the wild, they often gather in large flocks for protection, displaying complex social behaviors. They are also known for their strong memory, remembering people and events for years. Their feathers contain powder down, a fine dust that helps keep them clean but may trigger allergies in some people. These birds require constant mental stimulation, as boredom can lead to destructive behavior, such as excessive chewing. African greys can understand cause and effect relationships, making them one of the few non-human species to demonstrate such intelligence. Due to their long lifespan, they often outlive their owners, leading to many being rehomed multiple times. Some parrots have been documented to remember over 1,000 words and even use them in appropriate contexts. Their popularity in the pet trade has led to strict CITES regulations to protect wild populations. The African gray parrot has an extraordinary ability to mimic not just words, but also different voices and accents, making them one of the most sought-after talking birds. Research has shown that they can understand emotions and respond accordingly, sometimes comforting their owners. These parrots are diurnal, meaning they are active during the day and sleep at night. They require 12 hours of uninterrupted sleep to maintain their health and well-being. Their eyesight is highly developed, allowing them to see in ultraviolet light, which helps them detect ripeness in fruits. Unlike many birds that molt seasonally, African greys shed feathers gradually throughout the year. They are also known for their playful and mischievous nature, often figuring out how to open cage locks or dismantle toys. In the wild, they communicate with each other using a complex system of calls and whistles, helping them coordinate movements and warn of danger. African greys can form deep emotional bonds with their human caregivers, sometimes showing signs of distress if separated. They are naturally cautious birds, often taking time to warm up to new people and environments. Their intelligence, longevity, and social nature make them both fascinating and challenging pets.